Give it up. Resistance is futile. ImpulseNotion presents Can My Puppy Have People Food? When can a puppy start eating solid food? Puppies can usually have solid food starting at about 4 weeks old. The pros of treating. Hand-feeding your pup helps reinforce the bond you share. Giving treats during training is a form of positive reinforcement. To reward your puppy for doing something you want him to do. The cons of too much treating. Puppies can associate begging for attention with getting treats. This can go too far. A puppy will constantly be begging everyone at the dinner table for a bite. Toxic foods. Many people foods are bad for pets. If your guests do not know what is okay to feed your dog, your puppy may be given something toxic. For example, grapes, certain nuts, and chocolate are bad for dogs. Obesity. A chubby dog is adorable, but not healthy. Obesity can lead to medical issues and a shorter lifespan. Keep away the temptation. You may want to keep your puppy away from the table during mealtimes, so that your puppy is farther away from tempting foods. And your guests will not be tempted to offer your puppy treats without your permission. Remember, those puppy dog eyes can be very convincing. Testing treats. You want to make sure whatever food you give your puppy is safe for him. Give a little bit to start. You want to see how your puppy will react. Be on the lookout for any allergic or bad reactions, such as vomiting or diarrhea. If your puppy has no bad reactions, the food is safe for him. Prevention is key. Puppies can be naughty. He may find his way to forbidden goodies when you're not looking. Just like with human babies, you'll have to puppy-proof your kitchen. Pay special attention to garbage bins and access to kitchen counters. For more info, please see the links in the description. Stay tuned for next week's video, Puppy Safe People Foods. If you are new to this channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and be sure to share with your friends. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. Check out these other great videos from my channel. You can also get cute and useful pet supplies from my Amazon and Etsy stores. The links are in the description.